Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're back in Atlantic City on the beautiful Atlantic City Boardwalk on a beautiful evening tonight, and we're going to check out the Ocean Resort and Casino today. I did a room review not too long ago, room and pool review here at the Ocean, but I didn't really cover the casino and the hotel in general, so that's what we're going to do today. As you guys know, the Ocean is relatively new here on the Atlantic City Boardwalk, with the other places around here being much older. But it used to be the old Revel, which declared bankruptcy, and this place has quite a history of financial woes, but it seems to be doing really good now that it's become the Ocean. Past couple of years have been pretty successful for this place, so hopefully it's going to take hold, and one of my favorites right now. And by the way, if you didn't see the room and pool review that I did not too long ago, I'll leave a link below and you can check out the room and the pool here at the Ocean Resort. Also coming up is a slot pull that I did here at the Ocean, and I'm not sure how you guys feel about slot pulls. I did one here, I did one at the Borgata. I'm going to show them to you guys and I'll see how those videos do. If you like them, then I'll do a lot more slot pulls in the future. The one I did here tonight will be coming up in a future video. The escalators here at the Boardwalk entrance to the Ocean is what I call Atlantic City's Stairway to Heaven. Hold on tight.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys. Sound right, boys. It sound right, boy.
This is the 1927 lounge at the Ocean Resort, right off the casino floor. There's no shortage of bars and beverage options at the Ocean Casino Resort in Atlantic City. Enjoy unique specialty cocktails, the finest wines, and a wide selection of appetizers to satisfy any craving. Not to mention unparalleled happy hours in Atlantic City that will have you saying cheers while soaking in the beach and ocean views. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Shout out to Lapse Time, one of our many subscribers from the UK. He found Mitzi, the rubber ducky showgirl, in our latest Las Vegas video at the Westgate Hotel and Casino. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. By the way, if you're planning to stay at the Ocean Resort here, the website says with floor-to-ceiling windows and awe-inspiring views in all 1,399 guest rooms, it's no surprise Casino Players magazine deems it the best hotel rooms in Atlantic City. Interiors are sleek, minimalist, and stylishly appointed with contemporary furnishings. Thoughtful amenities such as complimentary Wi-Fi, in-room entertainment, and sumptuous terrycloth towels come standard in all rooms and suites. In addition to the beautiful views of the Atlantic Ocean and Atlantic City skyline from the rooms, guests can also enjoy the stunning outdoors with unique seating areas, picnic tables, and fire pits throughout the property. Lots of restaurants here at the Ocean, and I visited plenty of them in previous videos, so make sure you check out all the Ocean videos that I've done previously here on the New York channel. Some of the more upscale restaurants here at the Ocean include Amada. Soak in the ocean views while dining in a Spanish ambiance with authentic Mediterranean details. Then there's American Cut. Experience American Cut, an Atlantic City steakhouse where breathtaking ocean views, supple music notes, and a warm and charming atmosphere awaits. Dolce Mare is a modern Italian restaurant that captures the effortless elegance of ocean view dining in Atlantic City. And then there's Harper's. Harper's at the Ocean Resort is Atlantic City's brunch destination. This bistro sits on a comfortable location with views of the skyline and gardens. If you're looking to go a little more casual, check out Sky Cafe, Villain and Saint, The District, which is kind of like a fancy food court, Zenbang Noodle and Sushi, Distrito, Cafe 500, and Wahlburgers. And if you're looking for a quick bite, I suggest William Hill Sportsbook, The Grind, Lobby Brew, Pit Boss Barbecue Beer and Fish Fry. I really recommend that. That's right off the casino. And Rocco's Italian Kitchen and Market, which is coming up here on the left. Kinda like fresh Italian fast food. Up ahead is that Pit Boss barbecue, beer, and fish fry place I was talking about right off the casino. Located on the casino floor, Pit Boss Barbecue, Beer, and Fish Fry is your go-to quick meal location offering an array of delicious barbecue and seafood favorites, including smoked brisket and baby back ribs. Don't miss out on Pit Boss's Barbecue, Beer, and Fish Fry's $4 brown bag special, where you can purchase a mystery beer for only $4. I consider Pit Boss, which by the way is a great name for a casino barbecue place, Pit Boss, I consider them one of the best kept secrets here on the Atlantic City Boardwalk. And this is Amada, which I spoke about earlier, a more upscale restaurant with Spanish ambiance and an authentic Mediterranean detail. Great Mediterranean food overlooking the boardwalk and the beautiful ocean. So here I was thinking I was getting a great shot of the Atlantic City Boardwalk at night with that Ferris wheel outside and the casino inside, and it just turned out to be a reflective nightmare. This is why I edit videos, people. You guys get to see about half of what I shoot. And here we have the reception area or the lobby of the Ocean Resort Hotel and Casino here in Atlantic City. I love watching fish. I find it very tranquil. Tranquil. I think I said it right. Anyway, it's very peaceful to watch fish, and I have lots of aquarium videos here on the New York channel. I also have 2 cats at home, Tom and Jerry, so it's a kind of like a crazy household here. There's an aquarium here in Atlantic City, right up the boardwalk from the ocean where we are right now. It's a 5-minute walk. It's very close, and I've yet to visit it, but I'm gonna visit it shortly, so hopefully I can bring that video to you guys soon. Same thing with the lighthouse here in Atlantic City. It's got to be 100 yards. It's so close. I've never visited it before, and I hope to visit it soon, so I will bring that as well to the channel. Let's head out to the outdoor lobby for some fire pit action, shall we? There's no roof here in the open lobby, and obviously you can see up into the towers here at the Ocean Resort and Casino. Again, checking in here at the Ocean was a breeze. I had no problems checking in very early in the morning. And we're going to walk around the bend here and check out a couple more stores as well as the spa here at the Ocean Resort and Casino. Before we leave here tonight, I'm going to head back into the casino because I want to do a slot pull, but before I do that, I want to get a player's card. I visited here so many times and I've yet to get a player's card for the Ocean Casino and Resort here in Atlantic City, so that's what I'm on my way to do right now. Well, that was easy. I got my card, I got a free t-shirt. I'm gonna head off to a slot machine and do a slot pull for you guys in an upcoming video and maybe get some free rooms here at the Ocean Resort and Casino. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.